Hello everyone, how to use oats to make it more digestible in our body. Oats are one of the most widely used ingredients in our meals to aid weight loss and to support our gut health, as its fiber content make us feel full for a longer period of time. At the same time, it contains substance known as phytic, which is labeled as anti-nutrient. It blocks the production of digestive enzymes and making oats much harder on our stomach, and people complain of bloating and other digestive issues. To reduce the phytic acid content, the most commonly used hack is to soak oats in maximum amount of water overnight at room temperature for about 7 to 12 hours. In the morning, drain the water out of it, and you can use the soaked oats with any liquid, either milk or water, as a meal. Another option is to soak oats in the liquid, either milk or water, but here I prefer using milk. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar in it, followed by cooking until it gets softer or properly cooked. Add the toppings of your choice and enjoy.